una laugh in this music bar. That one they say we will there now we oh. Hey Pam, how are you doing, sweetie? How is Seattle, Washington? I tried to call you the other day. Pam, how you feeling? I tried to call you the other day. How is Seattle? I had it's very, very hot this summer. Come on, our cool Seattle, hot. That's not good. Anyway, I'm in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's pretty hot out here too. Yeah. Like for the past few days, it's been going like 90, 100. Shit. I cannot even go outside. Just stick my eyes indoors. Because in actual fact, I'm working on something. I love you guys. Love you guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. My dear, I make me coffee so. Whew. In the morning, I hope I get service that this may part. Otherwise, I have to go out and come in. I hope I do. Oh yes. I hope I do. Okay. In a good morning, everybody. How are you guys doing? I hope they do well, and I hope say everything is okay. Yes, I know. Funnily, I cannot. Oh, sorry, I cannot use my order because no send me on Facebook until we get issues. Well, today is another wonderful day, and today is Friday. So, by the way, for those of you who do not know me, my name is Daphne Maximilian Christiana Pratt, aka Kasada Kitchen. The rock of Gibraltar, the unshakable, the unmovable. Yes, Kasada Kitchen. I would appreciate if you guys can invite your friends. I might come because I have relocated to North Carolina, but I have to go there. I will talk to you after. Yes, I have to go and take care of certain things. I will talk to you after. Good day, my people. I believe say in all don't see 2-3 things them way. I go take care of my coffee. I don't say my coffee very important in the morning. Pam, I could not go to they have 7-Eleven here, but the flavor of their coffee here is not as good as Seattle. So I'm missing my coffee, my 7-Eleven. Let me go get some coffee. Sorry, I gotta get my coffee, I gotta get my coffee. Did I? Yes, I did. Okay, sorry, I gotta get my coffee together. Yes. So, yesterday there is a video, a video going around. I will play that video for you as time goes on. And it's a video that I did 2 years ago when this government was campaigning. When this government was campaigning, when this government was lying to us, the people. Yes, when this government was lying to us, the people, that everything is going to be okay. But again, let me play this video for you. And I believe most of you are aware that...
Honey, look at me. Look.
Wait, I don't know. I'm seeing this video all over, you know. Hold on. I'm seeing this video all over. When I was really talking for this government, because all what they said they were going to do, we thought it was, they were saying the truth. In which, like me, I was telling the people of Sierra Leone, vote for this government. They said they are going to give us free quality education. Even not only the free quality education, they were going to give us buses. They were going to make education something worthwhile. I said all of those things. Trust me, I did. Because that was the lie. That was the deceit. That was the deception that this government was giving to us. That if you support this government, all of those things were going to come. But what we did not realize by then was this government was only here to satisfy their desire. The desire of Fatima Bio, because her desire is to travel around the whole world. And that is exactly what we are seeing. My people, during that time was the time Fatima Bio was telling the people of Sierra Leone that the ground dry. That was the time. But I started suspecting when they become leaders from the early stage. If some of you can remember, when after the inauguration, I want people to share. Please share and invite your friends into groups. Share into Makoni Times, Kasita Kitchen. Share this video. Let people know exactly what went on that time. That was the time Fatima Bio was lying to us, the people of Sierra Leone, that the ground dry. APC has stolen everything from the coffer. The coffer was empty. So all of us, I'm not the only one that believed in those deception, that believed in those lies, that believes in those fake life felony, you know, just word of mouth, period. Because these promises are not going to be fulfilled. There is nothing quality in the education that they are offering. There is nothing quality. People even have to pay more now than they used to. First of all, let me apologize to the people of Sierra Leone. For any one of you that was listening to the lies that I was helping these criminals, these bio-criminals, these bio-tribalistic criminals to tell, I am sorry. If you people can see the passion that I had during those times to propagate those lies, because I thought these people had the interest of Sierra Leone at heart. No. They had their own personal interests at heart. I hope you people can keep on putting those videos again to see how much I talk to the people of Sierra Leone about this government, thinking they were going to elevate the youths from poverty, thinking they were going to make Sierra Leone a better place. But my people, I am so disheartened. I am so disappointed in this government. There is virtually nothing this government has done or will ever do, has done for the 3 years that I am impressed. This government is only good at criminology, personal wealth gain, tribalism, extrajudicial killing. This government is not good for the people of Sierra Leone. My people, 2 years ago, you saw how passionate I was to ask you people to vote for this government, to listen to these people. But my people, this is the worst direction Sierra Leone has ever had. This direction is not good for the sanity of our youths. My people, 3 years, the educational system has gone down the drain. For those of you that listen to those words that I said, I apologize to you because I polluted your ear. This government is not good for Sierra Leone. This government is a Wanimpet government. This is the only government in the entire world. The entire world that the president goes everywhere with his wife. It is to tell you that this man is not capable of being a leader. My people, I am appealing to those of you who listen. You know, you can come with your portfolio. I can buy into it. But if I see you are not doing what you confess to want to do for the betterment of the people of Sierra Leone, I see no reason why I should follow a tribalistic government. I see no reason why I should follow a tribalistic government. I see no reason why I should follow a government that does not have justice for the poor people. I see no reason for me to follow a government that the human right is deteriorating every day. I see no reason for me to follow a government that is seizing the rights of Captain Valentine Strasser as we speak, him being under house arrest. This is not the government that I preached about. So for me I am obligated to the 7 million Sierra Leoneans. I am not obligated to no party. What I am seeing in this government is disgruntled. What I am seeing in this government is not what I anticipated. This sort of a government is not good for the people. Tribalism is at its peak. Nepotism is at its peak. Yes, 2 years ago, I was flaunting for them. First of all, the first place, I want people to know, when this president took over, he started a term, one country, one people. That was the time I was making those utterances. That was the time I was making those utterances. Because I thought he meant what he said. I thought he was a ruler. He can rule the people. You remembered, my people. It was during that time he would just wake up and go into ministries. He said new direction. We were all happy for a new direction. But my people, this is a rotting direction. This Tumbu is commoting day. This direction, Tumbu, it is commoting. This particular direction, it is a smell. This, not good for Salone. This direction, we don't want to see another world. We don't want to see them. When they have the cost with the people, they will vote into power. In a all see way kind of social media, they cost me. Like a me when I see where I be Sudan, they vote and they campaign for the one they are. In a all see where I be Sudan, they campaign for the one they are. Like this idiot Josephine Jackson, we don't come, but they can't deal with you, Jojo Josephine, and they come. And they come for you. Because during that time, they will maybe the campaign with the lies, the decepts. Now the only first lady this, we don't disgrace with country. Nyaka nyaka. In disgrace with country, nyaka nyaka. Go na one on TV, they lie, but the other first lady then at the country. If I be support, I not support again. Now me democratic rights. Not for support again. I don't be support this government for saying that tribalism. Therefore they pan. This government can say new direction. One country, one people. Boku of ina de ala na ya. Paupa. Ina not even know side the name come out. Ina not even know who side the paupa name come out. But when the person will introduce the pauper name, they talk about the ills where they do, they insult them. Boku of like you, Josephine. First of all, you don't go do DNA for that picky way you say na Eke we born. Josephine Jackson. Because you not 3-time failure. 3 times you not failure. When you see a girl go dance for you, na Hamburg, you lost. But don't say you na failure. I know they curse you the way I be one curse you. Because I be one tell you how I be the fuck you, Papa, na Bookfist Hotel Joe Jackson. But now when you sister, get respect from me, you don't call me. Because I want to show you how you Papa be the cry under me. First of all, you for begin call me mommy. Because me na be you step mama. I be the fuck you, Papa. For tell you say you papa na they useless one them where be they abuse young picking them. But I know they go there it now you say I want deal with. Before you can hear you want to attack me. You don't go do DNA for that picky way you say na Eke we born. If you not do DNA, then no can I can talk oh. Because if you can talk, I go inside you. You not failure. You not 3-time failure. The effect from you see, you not the one the way they call Alakiba Stapikina. The effect for put you na table so all kind way. You not fit that table. You not dog way for the eat under the crumbs. 3 good time. Then the effect when you see a girl go, he go dance na Hamburg. We were there. Now we are stiff like okay. Now so that they dance. Rare girl na Hamburg. We were there. Now you lost. For tell you say you na loser international. Josephine Jackson. Yesterday you been a yap na me page. I only they respect you family a little bit. Because when I want to deal with you, I'm not left for begin so side. I can left for begin from your roots. But you sister them, don't call me and I respect them. So I'm not going to explain what you papa in Jakarta. Are you papa been a cry under me? Are you papa be the black government's money for me free one? I'm not going to talk all that one day. Because I want to describe the blockers who say you come out. How the water be the drip. Because I be the drip inside you mama. Now so it be the drip back inside me. So tell you mama not be the make you papa they cry anymore. Now that make you can't find juicy like me. Where I'm 54, me Bobby slitting up. Yes, so hey boo boo. Josephine Jackson. You don't know who side for Tony Mott? Ben! Now yeah. Now then you want to send you Mott. 3-time international loser. When you see international rare girl, it go and dance for you. You lost. You not loser. International rare girl, it dance for you. You lost. You not loser. And I invite Josephine Jackson. How yesterday it been crazy. When it can be page. I want to tell them about this omole, how they drink them. And Usai I begin drink omole. Sometimes you don't know you papa we born you. Let me can tell you what you papa we born you. Where I be they make they cry na Bookfist Hotel. Now day I want to show you Usai I begin drink omole. Do ya in a invite Josephine Jackson? Yesterday it been crazy. It been Kanami page. It been a running ass. Wait 30 days. We dey wait for they go do DNA with Eke Alloway. You know able do DNA with Eke Alloway. 30 days. I mean, come on. When you see Mortal Man International Rare Girl, he get that for him. He dance for him. We were there, now we you now win election. For tell you say, I know the cause, they are not mix me up. Now the poor people the name. And they explain what the woman can find on my page. Josephine Jackson, now I can on my page. It can't offend me. And when it can't offend me, mean a public disgrace, a public correction. Being that he say I dey smoke, I dey drink omole, now make I want tell and say you papa Joe Jackson. Now I first begin give me omole na book fees hotel. Because why can don't walk you papa down? Why can don't walk and down? Why don't cry under me down? Go you papa Joe Jackson, Honorable Joe Jackson. Where don't die? Where I cannot walk and down? You papa Joe Jackson. Like when you explain say that one me to go miss na Goy Street. You know me no be you papa me to go miss na Goy Street. You know me no that one day. You know say you mama and young glory all be don't overlap. So because if you don't overlap, you papa be need like a me for keep and now make for what left you papa now you papa die. Because nobody not be there again, forget that you papa. Josephine Jackson, bring it on. You been a talk yesterday, Butu Bata under me page. Can no? I tell you, say they come for you. I tell you, I say they come for you. So tell you, papa, no be they tell you, say, na me be they give a long life. Na me make you, papa, they cry like a pikin. Because what you do, you mama not be for satisfy him. So I be get for cancel me. Na me make you, papa, himself, implug me in the bit back. Now me be make you, papa, implug the bits. Now me one gram be make you papa able for cry. Yes, Josephine Jackson. That you papa, now when you not be know the arrangements. That bar when you be when you say you Josephine Jackson say we go meet na Goy Street. Now you papa be the send posse for go pick me there for no go na book fees hotel for because you papa not be able to get satisfaction na house. So now me no more be they give you papa self beating. Baku. Yes. When you see you papa be they say they go meeting. Now be the director. So from today, if you not call me step mama, if you not call me mommy, I go deal with you. Josephine Jackson, come on, like when you been the right yesterday, like then Chris dog. I want you on today. Josephine Jackson, come on. 3-time loser. You lost say when you see international rare girl. Then put her in a hammock. It dance for you, you lost. You don't lost done. But then attack Josephine Jackson for this video for me, but attack him. Yesterday, he must be the one, he can't be the cost me. In attack Josephine Jackson. In attack Jojo for me. Jojo Jackson. Mr. Pikin. In attack her for me. Sometimes not be no say na me number one game in the make papa incapable and the function. For one left you papa. Now he deteriorating life. Because what you do, na me one get is packable. I dey tell you, where is the international rare girl? Go dance for Jojo. International rare girl, where is the people like they say, where is the babu go dance na Hamburg? Jojo lost, Mono say in a loser. Jojo, bring it on. Let's take me coffee. I been warned you yesterday. You just come out. You just come out. I don't know how you come out. You just can't at me page. Can't begin insult me. Jojo, let me tell you. You Mama Fatima. When you the licking in Afkonk. He respects me. Now you not go respect me. But they come for you. I'm not ready for you too. They come. I'm not good for you too. They come. This time I just welcome you no more. I welcome you to me area. You see them picking there when they're knocking bone, fine. When I finger them, people they can finger them. You know, because if you papa be really done good with you, mama. You know what I mean? You mama be open for receive you, papa I for receiver. You know what I mean? You know go can sit down you the fame plumber. Then you not loser. Period. Me no want to see. First lady go na Jama. It dance for bossy loss. You are a loser. Period. You so loose. Then you can't sit down here. You open your mouth like for say. Well, in a go accident day. In a go accident at the international girl, me and not sabi I just dey talk. And you know say talking are free. Na paracetamol you dey buy. When you not get paracetamol, go to them fake nurse them. They ready for shed fake tears and talk fake talk. Fake popularity. Go there. Then go explain to you. But yeah, they talk with you I want to talk. This girl, but I invite Josephine Jackson back. In a call at this page bar. Yesterday, me the right book go to Rata. In a call for me today. I need an aya. I need a wo. When you see you stuffed I don't like for body shape woman them. But when you see you stuffed I wonder how you and brother make them zongolo zagala. That one day on a 69 I go they always na back door front to do. Because you get belly, the man get belly. In a two how in a all sucking and licking, well that's a good one too. I don't like for body shape person, you know. But you offend me, oh. You know what she wants say yesterday morning you can't have a page. Can begin to away free talk. Josephine Jackson, when me be the campaign for this criminal government, you were nowhere to be seen. You were nowhere to be seen. When I find out that a criminal government, I come on behind them. From when Fatima said na the most trusted first lady in the one whole world. When they get inauguration money 30 days, he not talk about how to spend that money day. No, he go come. He go come. It must be the one yesterday on my page. If I go look yesterday on my page, it must be the run Josephine Jackson. It must be the run. Why can't I be paid? Hey, look this Omole one back don't begin talk. Imagine it's failure the call person over there forget me nice step, mama. Go I be the treating, papa. Josephine Jackson. Now when no more you sister, they don't talk to me. That's true. Where is sister? They don't talk? I don't want to tell person. I want to go in papa in Jakuta or Lena see the dimension. How in papa me the king they cry all. I want to show in our own team. Me don't know. Me don't know. Mix me up. But me don't. Thank you, dear sister Melana. Dear Melana, let Josephine Jackson see on my page. Josephine Jackson, it did for this. girl like wake in the morning. They can wake in the morning, can't plumber, can't offend me. I can see no so. And I don't say 3 months, 1 month now. No, I don't cost nobody. I don't offend nobody. Nobody don't cost me. Me must the crash and they found out the char. Hey, Justin Jackson, you don't kind of me trap. I go deal with you. Thank you, Lois. Fuller, thank you. Yes! Justin Jackson, Papa, na before my boyfriend. I mean, one girl can make it cry. For one left, I pass it die. So, Justin Jackson, when you want to talk to me next time, don't say me now you step, mama. Because you mama in glory only function, and me don't malfunction. So, you papa be need young blood like me. So now me no more me they keep you papa in life plug they go batik. For one left you Papa Joe Jackson, now he lost contact. For one left you Papa, now he lost contact. That's why he died so. But anyway, like what I said, no, I don't want to go inside it too much because I mean one girl can make you Papa cry. Go ask the staff then I've been Bookfeast Hotel. I mean, one girl can make you Papa cry. Me one green. You understand? So next time, when you mount the crutch, look before you can attack somebody. How can I attack somebody? In a list, let us be frank. This Umaya, 3 good times. You know when this line they call Okuru dog. They try for wash you all kind way for put you for eating at table. They're not, you're not fit, you're not qualified. You're not Okuru dog. Any side where you go back there, they beat you, then they hit you, then they bump you back. Any side where you go. But what I say when you see international rare girl, they make circle round and they dance for you. You lost. Mono say you na loser. When you know say okay, Aloe not born picky, now you go lie say you be born picky with a Aloe. But if you not do that DNA test day, penny you know they get. Now cool dog. When you see motor, can you imagine? Motor man, 310. They WhatsApp for Putagbara. They rent him for Putagbara. They scrub him for Putagbara. Then you, Justin Jackson, are you the talk to can be paid? Can't talk about Omole. When are you Papa Joe Jackson? Begin give me Omole. Why you don't fuck and on? Why you don't cry down? Any liquor I call for now they send the driver them for go, but you know we know that. Say for let in and not be understand and that make you Papa be the send go pick me na go street. Joe Jackson, you Papa Josephine Jackson. Now you had to talk to. Now me one girl make you Papa able for cry. Now that make for one left you Papa now he lost track. Pass where he die so. Now do am again next time. Oh. You afraid me, you know come. And they go so they come back so you go mistake right 2 3. While they can now, you all samba later and they can scatter for you. But there me people them. That video where in a see they go around so 2 years ago. Where I've been the campaign for this criminal government. APC people them do ya as I always the beginner. And as Koroma in 10 years, it was super perfect. Then when they are now only 3 years, then a director of criminology, then the new direction where they bring now for criminalize with the people, now for kill with the people, now for human rights not there. And I can imagine 30 days. Common sense so in a the pay now make a the warning and say na pay attention. By the time when they come on Turkey, When ina we dey na born to know wetin dey happen na born. Ina go hala kotomaimu. Ina no pray, let them one day not bring religious war now we country. Because the Catholic them property. Neither one day I don't go get to the Muslim, the Arab, the Turkish them. Right now inside the Catholic property, now they build mosque, now they build all kind of thing. Then one day are not good for we people them all. In a pay attention. Then one day are not good for we people them all. In a pay attention. You the talk say 419. If they do inside free tongue, if they do inside free tongue, go look what they happen about. But I know one thing. I know they talk anything where it did not come out true. But again, all the same, in a pay attention. This government not good for salon. This government not good for salon. This government that indeed them tell we send a new direction. Because our president here where they rule the country. Do you have the people them? We don't want them. All waiting the president in the talk where the campaign are so lie. But I dey go back because I make Joseph Jackson so tell I go don't go, he go answer me, they go come back for him, they go bring me some letter. Then so we all go can dance. We were there, now we 3-time loser, now me this